Okay, I got a couple of tricks for street and track. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your car aligned for the street. And we have in the resources in Speed Therapy Society, there's an alignment sheet. For a Facebook group, Speed Therapy Society, there is an alignment sheet for SN95, 197, and 550s. You get your street alignment set first. And if you've got adjustable shocks, then you're running reasonably soft for the street. So you get your street set up first. When you go to the track, this is what I do. Let's say, for example, see if I can do this without looking. Okay, now, I don't know if you see it. This is one of our Fox camber plates. But as you can see, what I did is I made little marks. Let's say that's the street setup. I made little marks. When you go to the track, we drop it down and we put all the camber in there is. Okay. And then once all the camber's in, then you use your tire temperatures to start backing camber out. And typically, if it's a clockwise track, there's going to be more camber on the left side than the right side. But we normally run about on track 2.5 degrees, 3 degrees, and negative camber. All positive, as much positive cast it'll take, and about 1/16 of an inch toe out, not toe in, toe out. That toe out helps the car turn in. So, and then when you're done after your track day, then you just move the camber plates right back to the street adjustment that you marked, and you don't have to do the alignment shop. So that's one trick. Again, working with your tire pressures and temperatures, and then if you've got the adjustable shocks, you turn them up a couple notches for the track. I probably should do a little segment sometime on adjusting shocks. Put that in my notes, because that's, I mean, there's a way to do it. Single adjustable, double adjustable. I mean, I can break it down pretty simple, even though it's complex. But we'll do that another day. We'll talk shocks another day. So that's it. Balancing comfort for the street. I mean, you've got to get a spring set up that goes both ways, depending on what your car is. If it's here's the deal. If it needs to be one of two things. It needs to be a street track car or a track street car, because the setup will be completely different between the two. Your spring rates will be different. Again, if that's something you want to know more about, sign up for a 15-minute consult, and I'll kind of go through it. But I think you'd want to be like, we're working on a 550. I'm working on a sport touring package right now, and I'm trying a number of different spring rates. And I think you'd want to be at least in somewhere 350, 400 to be both street and track. And 400 would be good enough to get you well into intermediate or on street tires. So, yeah, give me a call and we'll figure it out.